Google just released a 69-page guide to prompting AI. Here's the vital guide, summarized. Don't skip this. If you've ever used ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude and thought, why isn't this working? This guide is your fix. Truth is, most people are using AI incorrectly. Not because the models are bad, but because they haven't been shown how to communicate with them properly. Here's the boiled down version. Everything you need to know. 1. Know the tool. A prompt is how you speak to AI. The better the input, the better the output. Simple. 2. You don't need to code. You don't have to be technical. Anyone can write prompts, but great prompts? That's a real skill. 3. Choose the right model. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. They're not all the same. Each one has strengths. Know who you're talking to. 4. Know your prompt type. Zero shot equals no examples. Few shot equals show examples. Chain of thought equals guide it step by step. Choose wisely. 5. Control the vibe. Change the temperature for creativity. Tweak top P or max tokens to shape the output. Top P adjusts creativity. Max tokens limits the length. 6. Be specific, say what you want. Exactly. Vague prompts? Weak results. 7. Give context. Details matter. Add goals, tone, background. Like briefing a real assistant. 8. Don't just write. Rewrite. Great prompts are built, not born. Iterate until it works. 9. Use examples. If you want a tone, a format, a voice, show it. Guide the model. 10. Ask follow-ups. Don't just stop at one response. Keep digging. It's a conversation, not a vending machine. 11. Avoid the traps. Too vague equals bad. Too long equals confusing. Too complex equals lost. Biased equals biased results. Customized by task. There's no one-size-fits-all prompt. Summarizing? Coding? Support? Right for the job. 13. Prompting is power. This isn't just a shortcut. Prompting is how you command AI. Get it right, and you unlock its full potential. That's it. Straight from the horse's mouth, as they say. Some seem so obvious. Bottom line is you need to work with the AI to tease out the results you desire. Practice. Get that practice in before the competition does. Subscribe. Dropping gems daily. Questions? Leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer.